All right, here we are. Come along with me as we try to figure out what the fuck is up with this motherfucking Enterprise rental car 2025 Nissan. Got the check engine light on. They said that the engine makes noise. Sounded like it just turned on when I brought it in, like it just runs normal. All right, we're gonna see what we got. Got to use the auto auth because everyone thinks that's cool now. So you don't get your car hacked like a video game. Have someone just take control of your steering wheel, run you right to the nearest In-N-Out and get some burgers. See what we got here. What you know about at the drive-in? Nobody knows that. My brother. One of the coolest fools on the planet. Who likes working during the summertime? Raise your hand. Let's see if they can find it. Oh, hello. Lara. What's that mean? Oh, there we go. Dang, look at all the modules on this junk. Just for shits and giggles, we'll see what they say. Radar stain. Not worried about that. Low fuel pressure. Dude, how the fuck? It's a brand new fucking car. Got a freeze frame. Oh damn, look at these numbers. Is it even working? Vehicle speed 50 kilometers. Fuel row pressure, target pressure. Oh yeah, no, it just gave out. Is there a high pressure pump on this? Yeah, there is. Son of a bee sting. I'll clear it and take it for a drive and see if it happens again. It was going at a high rate of speed when that happened, so that's just a weird code. But yeah, the target rail pressure was fucking virtually nothing. Fuel levels at 73%, so that's good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and just clear it. Oh yeah. For all you haters out there that talk shit about the music, you're looking at the face of a man who doesn't care. We're out here trying to get by day to day, baby, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm just gonna go test drive it real quick. It's got gas, it's got oil. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can recreate the problem, and then we'll catch up here in just a little bit. So we love reading. Reading is cool. I just did a little bit of reading on this junk. It seems like this is an issue with Nissan going back to like the early models from 19 on. They just require a software update, but what we're going to do, we're going to find the fuel pressure. Yeah, so they're saying that the fuel pressure sensor should read in between 530 and 580, and that's kind of where I've been since I've had it running. So probably not the safest thing to do, but we're gonna go ahead and take a little test drive just to monitor it, make sure it doesn't go past 1,000 or dip below 300, and that's gonna be it. Most likely just looking like a damn software reprogram. or a fuel pressure sensor recalibration. Very rarely are they having fuel pump problems. I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about how that's what I've been seeing most of the time on these new cars is, you know, it's only got 40,000 miles. It's under warranty until 50. So even if I did have a problem, it would go back to the dealer for warranty anyway, because this is a rental. I'm gonna do a little quick test drive just to see, so. But yeah, most of the time whenever I get any kind of weird codes on 2024s and up, I've been in the habit of just erasing them and driving them to see if the issue returns, because it just seems like there's a lot more software glitches in a lot of the cars these days as opposed to like actual parts failure. But everything sucks now, so parts just fail left and right if you look at them wrong, so not surprising either. On the freeze frame, it just showed that it had no pump output at all, so that tells me like it just shut off, like a wiring issue. And after reading up on it, they had some wiring issues. I'm sure I look so funny driving with this camera on my head. Never done this before, not sure if it's safe, but we do not care. We're out here, we're gonna hit the highway, and it's been staying pretty good. Right now I'm at 8:15, but that's because I'm accelerating. So normal driving, foot off the gas, we're looking in between 530 to 800. So all right, let's see, little highway speed. It doesn't really have any like stuttering or like something you would expect with like low fuel pressure, you know what I'm saying? I'm being pretty hard on it right now, so. Cruising the loop. Yeah, most likely this thing's just gonna need a software reprogram. I did not find the exact campaign. Sometimes they don't release them. I found ones for 2011 through 2019. It's like more of like a wiring issue, but they still have been continuing to have problems. So we're gonna go ahead and just make sure the light stays off, and then at normal driving like now, yeah, 530, still pretty good. So nice little area. Always wear your seatbelt, kids. I'm gonna go ahead and ship this and let them know that it's okay to drive for now. My desired fuel pressures look good. There's no other codes or anything, so. But yeah, just kind of wanted to go through that. Anytime you see anything on the new cars, it's most likely just going to be a damn software update, so. Yeah, at idle we're at 550. Pretty good, so. All right, we're going to ship it. Do your reading, kids.